The graph below, this graph, shows the number of cookies sold at a fair in 5 days based on the graph. Which statement is true? So we have 4 choices here, and we have to pick one of these 4. So let's look at the first statement up here and see what it's telling us. The number of boxes of cookies sold on day 3. How many is that? Looking up there, 60. Was twice the number sold on day 1. Day 1 there's 40, 42, 44. So is 60, how does that compare with 44? We're asking, is it twice? Okay. Is 60 over 44, is that the same thing as 2 to 1? Well, if you double 44, you're going to get 88. You're not going to get 60. So throw out answer A. Moving along to answer B. This time we're talking about day 5 and day 2. And we want to know, is it half? Well, day 5 is, here's 50, so this would be what, 48? And day 2, you're up at 50, what, almost 52, aren't you? Okay. Is this 1/2? Is 48 over 52 equal to 1/2? No way. Okay, double 48, you get 96. Okay, so no way. Throw out answer B. Let's see if answer C is true. We're talking about the number of boxes sold on day 5, which is how much? There's 48 again. And day 4, 48 out of 50. Now, is that 96%? Yeah, 48 compared to 50. Is this 98%? 96%. Well, if you double 50, you get 100. If you double 48, 48 plus 48 is 96. So this is the same thing as 96 over 100, isn't it? So this is true. We have to pick answer C for our answer. Now, what's wrong with answer D? Talking about day 1, which would be 42, here's 40, 42, 44. And day 3 is what? 60. So now we're talking about 44 compared with 60. Is this 12%? Is this 12%? Well, 12% is like 10%, isn't it? Pretty close to 10%. 10% of 60 is 6, isn't it? A tenth of 60 is 6. This is a lot more than 12%. Okay? So I would not pick this for my answer. All right? Say you double this, you get 120. Double this, you get 88. It's closer like to 80%, isn't it? If you double these numbers. I mean, if you double this, you got 120. Really, you want 100 for the bottom, like on the previous example in C. But if you double this, you get 120. Double this, this is 88. There's no way that's 10% or 12%. So of my 4 answers, I'm going to have to say answer C is my right answer.